Yep, hello folks. Metalman8713 here today. How are you folks doing, by the way? Anyway, here I am. Anyway, I'm here to bring you another Ancestry themed related tutorial video today, folks, as well. So, yep, if you haven't seen them already, just a very quick overview. For one of my own other hobbies is Ancestry, basically. Is Ancestry and family trees, and also I've been researching and putting together my family tree, basically, as well, and then also a big number of others which I've been gradually putting together over time. So yep. Anyway, if you haven't seen my YouTube channel, if you haven't seen these on my YouTube page yet, I've got a few tutorials up there already. Well, which are about 5 minutes, which show you how to create a family tree, then add in relatives, and also basically. So, yep. Anyway, this video, it's basically about searching hints. So, for the purposes of this video, I've brought out my phone and also a iPad just to show you a couple of different ways of how you can research relatives. Search hints, basically. Sorry, for relatives. Search hints for relatives, basically. Anyway, I've got my phone out on here, and also I'm going to show you two different ways of how you can achieve to do this. So, actually, excuse me for a moment. I'm just going to switch off the video because I'm going to switch over to a fictional family tree which I created for this video, and also I don't really want to show any of my own family tree or anybody's names, basically. So, see you in a moment. Anyway, so basically, folks, I'm on my fictional family tree called the Ray. I basically nicknamed them the Ray family, basically. So, yeah, and also this family tree is not actually real life living people, I'll quickly mention again, because, anyway, all this was created for the purposes of this video. I don't know if you can probably see this on the camera. There we go. Right, so here is the Ray family tree. Filled it in a lot more to make it look like a real big family. Anyway, this is just a random part of it, actually, which I've just got on here, actually. So yeah, basically. And yeah, right, anyway, the purpose of this video is basically finding hints for people. So I'm just going to click on a random person, and my nicknamed Arthur Ray, for instance, we'll let it click on it. Right. So yeah, and normally if you get any hints which may match a person or appear automatically, or you'll get them up on here, basically. If you have any hints which match a person, basically, maybe births, deaths, marriage, index certificates, maybe censuses for older relatives, and electoral registers, just to name a few. Well, anyway, they'll normally appear in this section, but normally, since Arthur Ray is a made-up person, probably you have no new hints for Arthur Ray. So, yep. So basically, if you wanted to search for any on your phone, you would this is one of the ways you could do it. You can just tap search, see his name at the top, and then finding records, and here we go. And then also a list of any possible hints of any different categories would come up. And so yeah. And anyway, just in case if you can't find them straight away that way, tap on this in the corner. Here are some filters. There's a big different list of categories you can do to find the hints that you're after. So yep. So if I wanted to do one, I'm going to do this for an example. I'm going to click birth, marriage, and death just for an example reasons. Filtered it, tapped it, back, and then there's these scroll dials which you can make the results broad, similar, or exactly that name as you choose, and also for each of the facts there's little scroll rays if you wanted to make it exact or sounds like, or broad search results if you wanted to for any of them. So yep, and then anyway, when you're done, tap this, oops daisy, Here we go. So anyway, this is not really the actual results, but normally you would find the result that would match that person's profile. Tap on it. Anyway, I'm not fully subscribed onto Ancestry, by the way, so I could just show some of the basic things to do. So yep, basically as well, information what it says in the record on here, and this side what it says in your tree, and also if you wanted to save the hint, you would press continue, and then after that, and then add record. If you wanted to edit any information in the tree, then you click save, and then you would be in there basically. So yep, anyway, that's my phone. That's one way of doing it. And anyway, I'm now going to bring out my iPad for you folks, just to show you how you can search on the internet version just very quickly. Anyway, I'm on another profile here for another family member called George Ray. He is on here. And anyway, if you wanted to try to find hints for this one, you can either tap this search box up here, or go into facts and click on search on Ancestry. I'll click one of those, and also, so yeah, so basically it's loading up right now. Anyway, basically for the records, it'll be basically the same thing. You would, except you'd have to, on the internet version, you would have to click and tap on the categories on here, find which category you're after, then scroll down through, find the record that you're after, see if it matches, or if there's any information you want to change, and then basically click save, basically. So yeah, I've just clicked on birth, marriages and deaths. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, that sometimes happened on that page, basically. So yeah, right. Anyway, that's a very quick Ancestry tutorial for you folks. So yep. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching, folks, and also please do also subscribe. It's also I sound like Sammy the Stutterer for a moment. Anyway, I mean to say, subscribe, like, and comment, and check out my YouTube channel as well if you can, as well, because anyway, spread everything around, and also check out all the videos, because the video selection, it's a whole range of videos to choose from, not just one genre of video, you know. So yeah, right, anyway, thank you very much for watching, folks, and I will see you next time in me next video. Peace.